Hello, Part 1 of Financial Performance Unveiled will refresh your knowledge on reading and interpreting financial statements. There are 9 chapters which will take you through the 3 financial statements. The income statement is where we will focus on the sources of income because that's the key to building a sustainable business. Our case studies are non-for-profits because of the importance of developing different sources of income and making sure you're not too dependent on any one source or too close to the edge. We don't reveal the identity of most of our case studies because the issues and dynamics faced by the case study companies are experienced by most companies at some stage. The second statement is the balance sheet, where we will look at the financial strength of the company, its assets, its liabilities and its net assets, or members or shareholders' funds, the financial resources for the future. Our case studies involve 2 landmark corporate collapses where the value of the assets could not be realised and so the companies failed. One company had been successful for 110 years. We'll review their strategy and unveil the flaw in their reasoning. The third statement is Statement of Cash Flows, which explores the 3 broad ways you can finance a company. Alas, our case study involves another landmark corporate collapse. You've heard of the saying cash is king, and we see why. Then, it's time to put the statements together with our 6-step health check, which will help you assess whether the company is growing well or if you need to seek further advice. Call in an auditor or... This time, we look at an international corporate collapse. Most people want to know if their reasoning is on the right track. So, Chapter 9 contains some self-assessment multiple choice exercises, which will draw all the issues together. We're not dealing with the detailed factual work which accountants do, but the helicopter view, so that you can form and express an opinion of the financial capacity of the company and contribute effectively to discussions. The video workshops present discussions between team members, revealing different views so that you can understand not just the numbers, but the context in which the business is operating. The same numbers can look great for one company, yet critical for another. Remember to email if you have any questions, and enjoy the course.